Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Vikas Nira, and in today's video, we will discuss one tool. So let me show you the demo. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. I am bringing the latest AI tools, free and open source. So, I am showing the demo here right now. I uploaded a feature here, and I have uploaded an audio here. There is no filter, but the result will surprise you. See here, I am here. I'll show you by playing it. Hello everyone, this is a complete course on Power NTA. This is an introduction video. In this course, we will learn Power NTA step by step. First, you will learn about Power NTA, then you will take it from domain to domain and install it on the VPS. Its requirements will also be covered. See, just now, I have been moving backward here, and look here, my head is also moving, and the lip syncing is also correct. The lip syncing is perfect for it, and this was not my photo at SD, otherwise, it would not be happening here. It is not even okay. I will show you the demo. It is a YouTube channel here. This completes the link from here. Look at it here, and here they have shown a lot of characters. I will give you another link here. This is the site. And here, a lot of Instagram models have been shown here. You will get your videos. Meaning, the head of all the same is moving just like a feature, and this is also styles. Here are styles. Emotional style, you have to do it, or natural to make an angry face. Or if you want to make it sad, then there are a lot of models here. You can also select here for testing. You can use hugging face here, and you can also install it on your system or on Google Colab. If you can install it, then I will show you how you can do it. The link to Google and Google Colab will be in the description. And you can also do it on your local system. If you don't want to open Google Colab again and again, then I will also give a link to the GitHub here. Just download it, and after that, it will work. Python is its requirement, and it is okay. It is 2 checkpoints to download it. Download it, and put it inside this checkpoint folder. I am using a simple method in which I don't even need a GPU. If your PC is not so strong, and the GPU is not good, so you can take this one in use. So let's give you this link in the description. Just come here. And after that, it is okay to click on its play here. Before that, if you connect it here, when you click on connect, it will show connected here. Okay, and one thing in it is that there should be no change in the run type here. Do not select CPU. If a CPU is selected, then you should select GPU. Okay? I do it. It is still its on. You have to click on play and click on run anyway. Now, it will do some installation, and in the end, you will get a link. This is happening right now, and the environment is in Google Colab. This is a Git. It is doing it, and here are all the modules of Python, etc. All the requirements are already installed here. So let me come below. And here, you will get the link. Let's install it a little. So look here, see this running on a public URL. So this URL has been generated itself. I do it on it. So here, the same as it is which was here, it will be open with it. It was for all public, but it is just private. So no matter how much you can use it, something like this will open in front of you. So here I upload a feature. I come here, and what do I do to this person? I do it in the download folder and try to upload it here. It is different. If it is different, then check it. Okay, I upload it. And this is being uploaded. What I do is I think, what do? I give my only audio. I put it, and after that, we check. Then, this audio is also my upload. Here, you can also select the style, whether an emotional style is needed or what I want. After that, I click on run here. As soon as you click on run, look here, processing is fine. Processing is complete. I do the video here. Watch the video here. So here, I do it open, and from here, I will play it. Hello everyone, this is the complete course on Power MTA. And look here, I will get this back as good as you will get the result here in HD. Then, I will show you that with the demo again. You will learn Power MTA in the course. First, you will learn about Power MTA, then you will take it from domain to domain. Look at your requirement on the VPS. Look at it, Lika Singh, etc. are coming here very well, and then you can also download it from here. Okay, and here, you can also set the mood, etc. It is going on in your interaction. Here, we are taking it in use. You can also install it locally. Or, what is a demo version on Hugging Face here? Or here, you can also use their Google by using Collab. And in the next videos, I will tell you about AI tools. So, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel